Hello everybody, I'm Randy from Randy's Electric. Thanks for joining us for Ask the Expert. Today I'm here with one of my favorite electricians, Joe, and we are going to talk about service panels. What is a service panel?
Your service panel is where the power comes in and it feeds different areas of the home. So that's kind of where it's divided up, and the source, I mean the source is from obviously the power company, but that's where the power comes and gets divided out. The service panel is located either in a garage or in a basement. That's the most two common areas. Maybe outside, which is a little bit more uncommon, but one of those two areas you're probably going to find your service panel.
Okay. So I've seen a lot of them in basement bathrooms, in closets, downstairs, and just because oh, and that's illegal. So don't do that.
Right.
If you've got that, give us a call. So what is a meter?
Your meter, electrical meter, is the box. It's usually outside. It has the globe on there, and that's the power company. They own the globe, and that's how they know how much power you're using.
Okay, but they don't own the meter socket that that globe plugs into.
Right.
What's a mast?
A mast, if you have an overhead service where the power comes overhead off of the pole to your house, the mast is what holds the wires coming from up where they attach to the top and come down. So that mast goes and attaches to the top of the meter, and then at that point, that's where they measure how much electricity you're using.
So you can't have a panel without a meter.
Right, yeah. Otherwise, that's free power.
Yeah, and they're against that.
Of course.
Yeah, okay, and so sometimes a whole bunch of stuff in the house isn't working. I've heard of those meters burning up.
Absolutely, they can burn up. I mean, anytime you have a bad connection or a partial connection, you're gonna have arcing and sparking, and that's where you can have some real issues. So that's the start of an electrical fire.
Or too much power and lights dim and brighter. And so if any of those things are happening, give us a call at Randy's Electric. We're at 763-560-5600 or randyselectric.com.